from the Unit 7 review, the radical unit review, number 28 asks you to verify or prove whether the two functions are inverses, but unfortunately it's hard to see as the text is going up and over the math or vice versa. So let me write this down. F of x is actually equal to x squared plus 4 when x is greater than or equal to 0. So I'm going to split right down the middle, and I'm going to start with the g. Okay, so I'm going to replace g of x with a y. Now switch the x and y. Then add 4 to the opposite side. Remove the square root by squaring both sides. Oh, I see my mistake here. My mistake is that up here my original problem had a plus sign, so let me go back and change that. This should have been a plus, and this should have been a plus. So how do you move a positive 4 to the opposite side? You subtract it. That's a mistake I have made. So I have x minus 4 squared equals y. Now rewrite it in inverse notation. And before we proceed onward, we need to make sure that the inverse of g is equal to f of x. And it is not, so they are not inverses of one another. As a reminder, if two functions are going to be inverses of one another, the inverse of g of x will equal f of x, and the inverse of f of x will equal g of x. And that's how you verify or prove that the two are inverses of one another.